going to design a unique short hairstyle for the model. I want to create a bob effect at the hair ends. Using a fan-shaped cutting technique, I adjust the volume at the hair roots, middle, and ends. For the outer layer, I focus solely on the hair roots and ends. A horizontal cutting method ensures a natural bob effect to the hairstyle. With Vern scissors, I can cut and texturize at the same time, simplifying the process. The bangs also get a volume adjustment using the fan-shaped cutting method. Support hair roots and reduce the volume at the hair ends. Now, I use Vern Curve Scissors 6N. With the curved shape of the scissors, it's easy to create a rounded contour line. One side features a neat contour line, while the other side is asymmetrical. Use 3 different Vern Texturizing scissors with varying thinning amounts together. On the surface of the hairstyle, I apply intensive texturization to soften the hair ends. A simple grab with the hand reveals the wispy effect at the hair ends. With its full ends and asymmetrical linear texture fringe, this hairstyle comes together effortlessly.
Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.